Hey everyone, Zach Greenway here at Performance Sport and Spine, and today we're going to go over exercises for hip impingement. It often presents as tightness or pain in the anterior hip with movements such as the squat. We're going to start with the rock back with our hips in neutral, which means our knees should be under our hips, our ankles should be in line with those, and we're just going to press back as far as we can go, and we'll do 6 reps. Now, if your hips are tight or symptomatic, you may need to adjust the range of motion and limit it, and then progress over time. From there, we'll do internal rotation, which means bring your ankles out as wide as you can and rock back. Now, you may feel limited range of motion in this position, and that's fine. And then next we'll do external. So bring your feet across and rock back as far as you can. We'll do 6 in this position. Now we'll progress to some drills on our back. So we're going to flip over, bring our hip and knee to 90 and hold it for 10 seconds. And adjust pressure to tolerance. And then we'll do external rotation, and we'll hold this for around 10 seconds. Again, adjusting pressure to your symptoms and tolerance. And then lastly, we'll do internal rotation, which is bring your ankle out as far as you can and press and hold for around 10 seconds. You may feel a little cramping right here, and if so, just decrease the pressure. For the final exercise, we'll need to get onto a bench, and we're going to have our hip and knee at 90, and we're going to drop our foot down to the floor, causing internal rotation of our hip, and then bringing our foot up towards the ceiling, causing external rotation. We'll do 6 reps in this position, and you're going to want to make sure that the movement comes through your hip. Your knee and your back should not move. And again, you may need to adjust the range of motion to your current symptom level. And then we'll switch and do 6 on the other side as well. If one hip seems to be a little more symptomatic than the other, just maybe do less reps or less range of motion initially. All right, that's it for today. We really hope this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe below.